Baba County, hizi juice zote ziongezewe please. We are doing the last one, so tunataka kila mtu akue refreshed, okay?
Continue.
Korir, hiyo picha yangu tukikula, please don't circulate it before I see. Sawa?
Hey!
Yeah, alright.
This man, I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Alright.
It is smoky boo.
Welcome to Obina Show Live. And of course, it's oh wow,
Will you keep quiet?
1 p.m. But tunachapa ya mwisho, and then you can do whatever you want to do. But just to remind you that we are coming to you live from Samaki in Othaya Road, Kileleshwa. And this is the place where you can get, lobster, jellyfish, all kind of seafood ready made for you. So Valentine is coming. Nataka kupeleka mamazi wako huko. So yeah, that is the right place to be, all right? And also, food yangu hapa.